In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Slack analytics on Slack. If you're managing a Slack workspace and looking to gain insights into your team's communication patterns or overall activity, you're in the right place. Understanding your analytics can help optimize the way your team collaborates. So, let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process that will show you how to access and interpret your Slack analytics effectively. First things first, you need to navigate to the Slack website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Slack URL, or simply search for Slack to find it quickly. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner where you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. If you usually log in with Google, simply click on the Google button when prompted. This will direct you to the Google sign-in page where you can enter your credentials to access your Slack account. If you're already signed in to your Google account, this process should be fairly quick and seamless, and you'll be redirected back to Slack. Now that you're logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your Slack home page. From here, look towards the top of the page where you'll find your workspace's name in the form of a drop-down menu. This is where you can manage settings and have access to various tools. Click on this drop-down. In the drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Tools and Settings. Click on it to expand a new set of options. Here, you will find Workspace Analytics. This is where you can access the analytics dashboard we're aiming for. By clicking on Workspace Analytics, you'll be taken to a new screen displaying the overview of your workspace analytics. This analytics overview is where you can glimpse key data regarding the interactions and engagements happening within your workspace. You'll typically find statistics about message activity, active users, and various other metrics that can help gauge how effectively your team is using Slack. Tracking these analytics over time provides valuable insights that can help identify trends or areas for improvement, ensuring that your Slack experience is not only productive but also efficient. Remember, understanding the data is a powerful tool that allows you to drive decisions that enhance collaboration and communication within your team. That's pretty much it. You now know how to check your Slack analytics, a vital skill for anyone looking to leverage their workspace for maximum productivity. I hope this video made the process simple and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.